faux shit. No hoe shit.
He's from Acres Home, y'all. We got love for everybody on the Ratchet Show. Okay, y'all, so let me give y'all a little spiel right quick. Let me tell y'all about the Ratchet Show. I'm gonna give y'all a little 5 minutes. First of all, this show right here is about Ratchet, period. I don't give a fuck what nobody gotta say because it's me, Ratchet Tracy, side chick president, and Kevin motherfucking ass is still over there with his main chick. This ain't got nothing to do with the show, but Kevin, let me let you know something. You see I'm getting this money? Kevin, you see I'm getting this money and motherfuckers just pulling up and taking applications and shit.
Kevin.
And he playing.
And he playing.
Bullshit.
Kevin.
Bullshit.
Kevin.
All that shit.
Alright, so first thing is first. I need you to turn up with me on a game. You ready to turn up on a game?
What we doing?
Which side of the game is? Let me keep my cards in my hand. Y'all, first of all, don't watch me. Watch somebody else. Bitch, don't watch me. Because I'm going to do what the fuck I want to do.
Don't watch me, watch you, bitch.
Nice one.
Okay.
Alright, which one you want to play?
I want to play the first.
The first
I want to tell the people something about it.
Okay. Dro Boogie in the building. At Dro Boogie on Instagram. Go follow my boy.
Dro, DRO_Boogie, BOOGIE.
Alright, so the first one, he said In a Ratchet. That's the name of the album, okay? In a Ratchet. It says, what is something you do that you think is ratchet?
We finna get ratchet in the bitch. Man, I'm saying my essay.
He just
we get ratchet. She said we ratchet. She called her the ratchetest motherfucker she can call. Hey, look, oh my bad. But look, man, you gotta get a man's time back.
I'm gonna give you the time back. Come on, nigga, what's up?
So, my essay finna drop in.
Okay.
On the ratchet show shit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? We going nationwide with this shit here.
Essay mean Mexican.
Yeah, my best.
Oh, okay, tell him I said hi.
Hey, my kinfolk say hi.
Hi.
Hey, look, we going ratchet, bitch. We live right now. Like you bullshit.
I'm finna 5%.
We on Curry Road. Look, we on Curry Road. We just gotta pull up. Where you at?
Okay, so here we go. Back with my boy Dro Boogie, _Dro Boogie on Instagram, y'all. Listen.
I like to roll my dudes up and call it say I'm smoking on ops. You feel me? That's some ratchet shit. You feel me?
Hold on. I need you to
be
say that
smoking
again.
on doobies anyway, you feel me? But I say them.
You smoking on ops?
I'm smoking on ops.
Fuck them niggas.
Okay, so your inner ratchet is something that you do that you know is ratchet, but you do it anyway. So you roll doobies when nobody looking at you.
We call that an op pay.
iPad. Alright, so here we go. We're finna go into another topic. You ready? The next topic is...
We do old school versus new school version.
Let's go.
You kinda older than me.
Kinda older than you. Hold the
So
fuck
that's what
up.
I'm
That's
saying.
that was ratchet disrespectful.
You kinda older than me.
What kind of older mean?
You know what I'm saying? Your era versus my era.
Okay, let's do that. Old school ratchet versus new school ratchet. You go first.
Okay, so look, old school ratchet, what that is, in the 80s, which I had Rick James, that bell bottom tight ass shit. That's some ratchet ass shit.
Bell bottoms was ratchet. Okay, on that new school, let me tell you what, that new school that was ratchet ass shit, let me tell you. That motherfucking waterfall ass shit. Them kids in that motherfucking class, y'all some nasty ass, ratchet ass. Waterfall me, nigga, waterfall you, nigga. You still drinking a nigga slobber?
Whatever.
Ratchet ass.
Oh, stop it.
Tried it.
Stop it. Wear no bell bottoms.
Then y'all used to wear like 20 gold chains around your neck.
Hey, that was the thing.
Maybe the oversized clothes, bell bottoms.
Then y'all used to
Niggas was wearing Scott Pole and
Dance
Jamaican.
on skates.
Y'all used to go to the skate arena dance, bro. Y'all couldn't take the skates off. Y'all didn't want to take the skates off.
Hey,
Y'all didn't want to take the skates off. Black
If you-
people always got to remix some ice skating shit.
if you skated and danced, nigga, you ratchet. Nigga, you ratchet. 2 minutes left.
Roll, bounce, look at that.
Hold on, here we go. So, bam. Here's the topic. The topic is it okay to be ratchet? We got our boy at Dro Boogie on Instagram. He gonna give us his spiel, and we gonna see on the Ratchet Show with Ratchet Tracy. Do he think it's okay to be ratchet? Cause guess what? It is. I don't even know what he say anyway, but let's go.
It is. It just depends on where you can be ratchet at. So you feel me, man? I like this shit sometimes. Man, crazy shit.
He know he like it. He know he like it when I get rich.
I was down south shit. I like that. You feel me? You got like a sense of humor.
All niggas like ratchet bitches, man.
Make me laugh.
Yeah.
Let me giggle. Let me blush.
Make me laugh. Make me blush.
Man, look. I like that shit when you wake up early in the morning. You don't hear that. Like, your head all over. I like that shit.
End of the day, is it okay to be ratchet? Did you say yes or no?
Yeah, just well. Where you gonna do that? Big.
You got to hit that on ratchet.
Yeah, where can you be ratchet at? Look at me. Nigga, wherever.
In the highs. In the highs. That's when you gonna be ratchet.
He's out of line, ladies. What massage he said? Bitch, he's out of line.
You gonna be ratchet in the house. The fuck?
You can't have no boundaries on where to be ratchet.
The fuck?
For my 5 minutes. What about the 5 minutes that we talked about? We just talked about that.
Oh, that motherfucker in the house.
No, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
You're fired already.
Then what you trying to be ratchet for? What's your definition of ratchet?
Doing whatever it is that you want to do when you want to do it.
Motherfucker. Hell no. That's
Doing whatever it is that you want to do when you want to do it.
That's a disorder.
What do you mean a disorder?
If you got ratchet in you, you got a disorder. You crazy.
Everybody crazy, nigga. You crazy for thinking ain't nobody crazy. Looking ass, nigga, what are you talking about?
I am him.
He say he perfect.
I am him. You ain't even gotta call him because he already him.
Dro Boogie at Dro Boogie on Instagram, y'all coming through. And we appreciate you coming to the Ratchet Show because you damn show ratchet these motherfucker us.